Great spaces are defined by how they're built and how they perform. In every project you're seeing, details matter. Clean lines, strong finishes, thoughtful layouts. Each environment reflects careful planning, skilled execution, and a clear purpose. At Delightful Services, we specialize in ADA-focused solutions for residential and commercial spaces, combining accessibility with high-quality craftsmanship. From refined bathrooms to functional kitchens, from precisely built ramps to fully adapted interiors, every element is designed to work seamlessly while maintaining a polished, professional finish. Our approach goes beyond surface-level improvements. We focus on structure, flow, durability, and usability, creating spaces that are not only compliant, but impressive, reliable, and built to last. These projects showcase our commitment to quality, safety, and design excellence. Accessibility doesn't have to look ordinary. With the right expertise, it becomes part of a refined, well-executed space. If you're looking for ADA solutions delivered with precision and elevated standards, Delightful Services is ready to deliver. Contact us today and let's bring your next project to life.